Okay, a little more about the GPL because that's really what's going to be in focus in the coming week. Some of the players are already here, and many of them are talking, tweeting, Facebooking all about GPL. This is huge for you personally, isn't it?
Yeah, it's massive. It's like a dream. It's being able to conceptualize something and seeing it come together is really, really cool. Talking to guys that I grew up idolizing like Darren and Michael Campbell. Both of them talking about how cool this thing is and they think it can change golf. But at the same time, it's a lot of burden of expectation on my shoulders. So need to deliver a great product next week. I think seems like everything's in order. The course looks fantastic. Everyone's really eager to come, and hopefully the weekend goes as well as planned.
The one thing that you'd pitch about the GPL to anyone who hasn't yet caught on to it, a last minute pitch, what is it that the GPL stands for?
Fun. Most importantly, it's going to be fun. If anyone thought that golf was a boring sport, you got to tune in and watch. It's going to be really different. It's going to be a faster paced golf. It's going to be a shorter format, and you're going to see the best players in the world teaming up together, and you're going to see a lot of laughs as well. So I think you're going to see that golf is one of those sports where you can laugh at yourself, laugh at your opponents, and laugh with them. So I think it's going to be a really fun week. At the same time, the competition is going to be really high, and you're going to see, like I said, the best players in the world. So you can expect a lot of birdies out there.
So success of the GPL is more important to being part of the winning team?
I don't know. I think there's a bit of mixed fortunes there, I guess. Obviously, as a competitor, I've got to put my best foot forward and I've got to try and win, and I've got to make sure that our team wins. But to me, hopefully the league goes off well and we have 8 happy team owners and all our sponsors, and every player goes back with a smile on their face, and then I'll be relieved.
Okay, one final question, and that's more relevant from the sponsors and potential sponsors' point of view, is that if GPL does become successful, we're going to talk about monies actually multiplying, which would mean that more would come per player even in the future, right? The way the auction went, were you heartened to see the kind of money spent?
Yeah, I mean, to see close to 4 crores spent, on 24 players in the very first auction ever in golf is pretty magnificent. I think I was really heartened to see that, and if we can. We've started off, the platform sort of laid, and if we can make it as big as we think we can in the next few years, I think it's going to be great for Indian golf and Indian players. I think the success of cricket has a lot to do with money. If you look at it, every kid growing up wants to play cricket for India, not just because, it's a pride of playing for your nation, but there's a lot of money with it, and it's a great career, and it's the same thing if we can produce that in golf and have kids growing up saying, I want to play in the GPL and be able to make a few $1 million out of it, nothing like it.